Alright, so a quick rundown of this machine. This is a Romed 8 2T. It has a 32 core 64 thread CPU with 128 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. Currently I'm using 2 capture cards. I'm probably going to expand out, maybe add like 2 more, possibly 3, we'll see. And we're going to be doing that with a bifurcation board. It also has a Hyper M.2 NVMe storage controller. It has 4 1TB drives, and it's being used in the TrueNAS virtual machine. It has the PCI to SlimSAS HBA controller for the 10 14TB drives that I'm also using on the TrueNAS scale virtual machine. It also has a dual 10 gigabit network card. The bottom interface is used from the ONT, from the fiber, and the top one is the LAN with the VLANs, and that's being controlled by the pfSense virtual machine in the server. And over here are 2 interfaces, onboard 10 gigabit network interfaces that are ran in a link bond, and they're being used for the TrueNAS scale to communicate to the switch that is over here. And we have them being used in a LACP as a bond so that we can run it at 20 gigabits. And this is a 3070 RTX 3070 XC3 GPU. Currently we're using this for the virtual machines. I'm probably going to add, I'm thinking I'm going to add another bifurcation card here so that we can add an AMD card so that we can port that out to the TrueNAS scale to run the Plex server. And right here we have a USB to Ethernet, and that one goes to that router right there that I can wirelessly access so that I can access the hypervisor that is on this machine. And the reason why I don't use this interface here is for some reason it just does not work. I've tried it multiple times, I did multiple installs, and this interface, this Ethernet jack just does not work. It picks it up for BNC controller, but it does not allow me to use it in the hypervisor. So that is why I added the USB to Ethernet, and that's how I've been getting through. And then this guy right here, I just use this for either keyboard mouse functionality. Another thing that we're probably going to do is do another bifurcation board there so that we can add maybe some more USB connections, so that we can add more external Blu-ray drive so that we can record or rip our Blu-rays a bit quicker. And also at some point I'm going to be mounting this VCR down here below, and we're gonna probably hang these guys out there too. These are the Blu-ray drives that we'll be using to rip our Blu-rays into the server. And I don't know what else we're gonna be doing, but that's where we're at right now. This server does not stay in the same state for too long. Probably within the next month it's not going to look anything like this. So we'll see what it turns out to be.